Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for a way to keep your floors squeaky clean without needing to use harsh chemicals? This steam mop is by Shark. It's the professional dust mop, scrub, steam, mop. It does it all. But what I appreciate about this is how powerful it is while just using water, and it also has a reusable pad as well. So it just makes me feel like I am saving a little bit in my home environment and just the environment in general with that reusable pad. You just fill it with water and then it has the different steam options. Now this has been working really hard for me. That's why my reusable pad looks like it has a little bit of wear and tear, but trust me, it is not dirty. I love that when I'm done with it, I'm able to throw it in the wash and then keep reusing it. And our white tile floor is older. It's very scuffed. You'll see in my video that it looks like it's dirty. I promise that a lot of that is actually scratches. But because it's so hard to keep clean, that's why I really appreciate having this steam mop. With those different steam options, I'm able to get a deep clean. I'm going to show you what it sounds like on the highest scrub setting. This mop is a great option for keeping your floors clean on a daily basis, and it's super, super easy to use. If you're looking for a great way to keep your floors shining, I recommend checking out the Shark Steam Mop, but that's just my point of view.